The next billion-dollar industry after artificial intelligence is not software. It is not crypto. It is not social media. It is controlled farming, and most people have no idea what is coming. Let me ask you something powerful. Do you know that Bill Gates owns over 270,000 acres of farmland in the United States? Yes, Bill Gates, one of the biggest technology leaders in the world, is one of the largest private farmland owners on Earth. Do you also know that Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, owns massive agricultural land in Hawaii? So do many billionaires, celebrities, hedge fund managers, and top CEOs. Big tech leaders, big investors, big money. They are quietly buying farmland. Why? Because they understand something most people don't. The future of wealth is not only digital. The future of wealth is food. In the next 20 to 30 years, food will be more valuable than oil. Climate change is reducing fertile land. Water is becoming scarce. Urban populations are exploding. Traditional farming is struggling with pests, diseases, unpredictable weather, and rising costs. But there is a new system that solves these problems: controlled environment agriculture. And at the center of this revolution is hydroponic farming. Hydroponics is not just farming. It is technology applied to food production, growing plants without soil, using precise nutrient solutions, controlling temperature, humidity, light, and CO2, producing higher yields in smaller spaces, using up to 90% less water, growing food 365 days a year. This is farming designed for the AI era. While AI automates offices, factories, and software jobs, controlled farming automates food production. Smart sensors, AI-driven climate control, automated irrigation, remote farm monitoring, data-based nutrient management. This is why billionaires are not just investing in farms. They are investing in controlled farms. Because food security is the next global crisis. And whoever controls efficient food production will control massive wealth. Now, here is what most people don't realize. You don't need thousands of acres to enter this industry. You don't need to be a billionaire to start. Hydroponic farming allows ordinary people to build extraordinary businesses. With a small setup, you can supply hotels, restaurants, supermarkets, cloud kitchens, organic stores, and export markets. With the right crops, you can grow leafy greens, herbs, strawberries, exotic vegetables, microgreens, and premium produce. With the right systems, you can scale from lakhs to crores. Yes, crores. Because controlled farming is predictable, it is scalable, it is repeatable, it is premium. Restaurants pay more for pesticide-free, fresh, consistent quality produce. Urban consumers pay more for clean, safe, traceable food. Export markets pay more for uniform, high-quality crops. This is not old-school farming. This is agribusiness. This is agri-tech. This is where farming meets entrepreneurship. And here is the biggest opportunity: India. India is one of the largest food markets in the world. Urbanization is growing. Middle-class demand for clean food is controlled farming is not optional anymore. It is inevitable. Those who learn early will dominate later. Those who master hydroponics today will build farming empires tomorrow. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Hydroponics is not just about pipes and plants. It is about systems: crop selection, climate management, nutrient science, disease prevention, yield optimization, business models, market access, scaling strategies. If you treat it like a hobby, you will get hobby income. If you treat it like a business, you can build serious wealth. That is why education matters. That is why learning from real systems matters. At Maximum Cultivator, we created a modern hydroponic certificate course designed to take you deep into real-world hydroponic farming. Not theory, not YouTube-level basics, but practical, step-by-step knowledge to help you think like a professional, controlled farming entrepreneur. From beginner to advanced, from setup to scaling, from growing plants to building a profitable hydroponic business. We also have detailed hydroponic books designed to transform your farming career. From learner to expert, books that break down real systems, real crops, real mistakes, real success strategies. Because information changes income. The people who are learning controlled farming today will be the food leaders of tomorrow. While others fight for jobs, you will control production. While others depend on markets, you will supply markets. While others complain about rising prices, you will profit from rising demand. This is not hype. This is happening right now. Controlled farming is becoming the backbone of future food systems. Just like AI changed software, controlled farming will change agriculture. And those who move early will build generational wealth. The next billion-dollar industry after AI is here. It is controlled farming. It is hydroponics. It is modern agriculture. The only question is, will you watch this revolution or will you build it?